Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable wallpapers in Opera browser. Open Opera browser on your computer. Click on the Opera icon at the top left corner of the window. Click on Settings. Click on the basic item in the left menu. Now under Wallpaper section, turn on the radio button that says Enable Wallpaper. Choose a wallpaper under All Wallpapers. Open a new tab to see how it looks. You may also add a wallpaper from your hard disk. To do that, click on Add your wallpaper and select an image from your hard drive. Click on Get More Wallpapers to download more wallpapers from Opera official website. This is how you can enable wallpapers in Opera browser.